Introduce myself. My name is Fitria Nasiroh Yani with NPM 22411133 from Class Management 22C. Today I will presentation about Industrial HRM. Introduction to Industrial HRM. Industrial Human Resource Management. Industrial HRM is a specialized field of human resource management focused on managing people within the manufacturing and industrial sectors. This branch of HRM involves strategies and practices tailored to meet the unique demands and challenges found in industries like manufacturing, mining, construction, and logistics. Industrial HRM aims to optimize productivity, ensure worker safety, comply with regulatory requirements, and promote a positive work environment despite the often intense and challenging conditions of industrial work. Key components of Industrial HRM: workforce planning and recruitment. In Industrial HRM, workforce planning involves forecasting the need for skilled labor, ensuring that the company can meet production goals while managing costs. Recruitment strategies in this sector are designed to attract individuals with specific technical skills and experience suited to the industry. Often, Industrial HRM recruits from vocational schools, trade programs, or through apprenticeships, particularly in roles requiring specialized machinery operation or heavy labor. Training and development. Safety is a critical priority in the industrial sector, and training programs are extensively designed to include occupational safety and health procedures, along with technical skill building. Training might cover equipment handling, safety protocols, machine operation, and emergency procedures. Skill development programs ensure that workers are continually updated on new processes, technology, and safety standards, as well as specialized skills required in industrial settings. Health, safety, and compliance. Industrial workplaces are often more hazardous than typical office environments, involving machinery, chemicals, and physically demanding labor. As such, ensuring employee health and safety is a central function of Industrial HRM. Our managers in this field work to create and maintain policies that comply with industry safety regulations, such as OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, standards, to reduce workplace injuries and accidents. Performance management. In Industrial HRM, performance management focuses on productivity, efficiency, and quality. The role of HR in this context includes setting measurable goals for workers and providing regular performance feedback. Reward systems, incentive programs, and recognition schemes are often implemented to encourage employees to meet certainly. Here are a few definitions of Industrial HRM by experts in the field. Michael Armstrong defines Industrial HRM as the strategic approach to the effective management of people in an industrial organization, with a focus on maximizing employee performance and ensuring safety and compliance with industrial standards. Gary Dessler describes Industrial HRM as the set of practices and policies used in industrial and manufacturing sectors to recruit, develop, manage, and retain workers who can perform specialized technical tasks while aligning with organizational productivity goals. Edwin B. Flippo explains Industrial HRM as a process of managing human resources in industrial settings, where emphasis is placed on worker safety, regulatory adherence, and skill development to meet the specific demands of the industrial environment. These definitions underscore that Industrial HRM is focused not only on managing people effectively but also on ensuring compliance with safety regulations and developing the specialized skills necessary in industrial work environments. Industrial HRM is intricately connected to industrial psychology, a branch of psychology that studies human behavior in the workplace with a specific focus on optimizing employee well-being and productivity. In the context of Industrial HRM, industrial psychology helps organizations understand and apply psychological principles to improve workforce management, employee satisfaction, safety, and performance. Here's an expanded look at Industrial HRM through the lens of industrial psychology. 1. Workplace motivation and job satisfaction. 1. Motivation theory. Psychologists in Industrial HRM often apply motivation theories, like Maslow's hierarchy of needs or Herzberg's two-factor theory, to understand what drives employees in the industrial sector. 1. Given the physically demanding nature of industrial jobs, intrinsic motivation, such as a sense of accomplishment or job stability, and extrinsic factors, such as fair pay and safe working conditions, are essential. 2. Job satisfaction. Industrial psychology in HRM assesses factors contributing to job satisfaction to reduce turnover and improve morale. 2. Factors like task variety, workplace safety, and fair treatment contribute significantly to job satisfaction and can be carefully managed in industrial settings to retain skilled workers. 2. Employee selection and psychometric testing. 1. Psychometric assessments. Industrial psychologists often develop and use psychometric tests to help HRM professionals select the best candidates for specific roles. 1. These tests measure cognitive abilities, personality traits, and physical capabilities to ensure a match between an individual's skills and the job requirements. 2. Fit for industrial roles. Psychometric testing in industrial HRM ensures that employees possess the psychological and physical resilience needed for demanding industrial jobs. 6. Ergonomics and job design. 1. Ergonomics. Industrial psychology places a strong emphasis on ergonomics, which is the science of designing jobs and work environments to fit the needs and capabilities of employees. 1. Industrial HRM uses ergonomic principles to reduce physical strain and prevent injuries, especially in tasks that require repetitive motion or heavy lifting. 2. Job design for motivation. Through job enrichment and job rotation, industrial HRM can design roles that are less monotonous, providing employees with a variety of tasks and learning opportunities. 2. This reduces boredom, improves job satisfaction, and can prevent errors that arise from fatigue or inattentiveness. 7. Employee safety and risk management. 1. Behavioral safety programs. In industrial settings, where there are higher risks associated with machinery, chemicals, or heavy equipment, behavioral safety programs are critical. 1. These programs involve observing employee behavior and providing feedback on safe practices. 1. Using industrial psychology principles like reinforcement, HRM professionals encourage safe behavior, thereby reducing workplace accidents. 2. Risk perception training. Employees trained to accurately assess risks are less likely to make dangerous errors. 2. Industrial HRM professionals apply psychological principles to help workers understand and respond to hazards. 2. This includes risk perception exercises that train employees to recognize and react to potential dangers instinctively. 8. Performance management and feedback. 1. Setting clear expectations. In industrial HRM, clear and specific performance standards are crucial because many roles involve precise tasks with minimal room for error. 1. Industrial psychology emphasizes setting clear, achievable goals, drawing from goal-setting theory, which helps employees understand expectations and increases their engagement and productivity. 2. Frequent and constructive feedback. Given the structured nature of industrial roles, performance feedback needs to be timely and specific. 2. Using feedback models from psychology, such as the sandwich feedback method, HRM managers in industrial settings can provide feedback that acknowledges positive behavior, addresses areas for improvement, and ends on a constructive note. 9. Conflict resolution and labor relations. 1. Conflict management techniques. Industrial HRM frequently involves managing conflicts due to hierarchical structures, union management relationships, or cultural diversity among workers. 1. Conflict resolution strategies, like mediation and negotiation, are applied to maintain harmonious labor relations. 2. Labor relations and collective bargaining. In many industrial settings, employees are part of unions, making labor relations a critical part of HRM. 2. Psychological principles like active listening, empathy, and assertive communication are essential during collective bargaining and negotiations to reach fair agreements without disrupting production. 10. Psychological assessment for high-risk roles. 1. Screening for emotional resilience. Industrial HRM uses psychological assessments to identify candidates with high emotional resilience, especially for roles involving stressful or hazardous conditions. 1. This helps ensure that employees can handle the physical and psychological demands of the job without being overwhelmed. 2. Cognitive ability and attention to detail. Certain industrial roles require significant focus and attention to detail,